Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and download Textme application on Android. So let's get started. First, go to Play Store. Then in the search bar, type in Textme and perform your search. Now all you have to do is click on Install button to begin the downloading process. Now wait for the application to be installed to your device. And this is how you can install and download Textme application on Android. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.